everybody. It's Tammy Van Hollander. I came on to offer a little tip regarding supervision in the sand tray, or just a way that you are able to reset with your clients. In many of my sand tray supervision groups, we often talk about how certain children's energy can be a lot for us. And we may have to check out because the space may not feel safe emotionally or physically. And how can we check in to recognize what are our triggers? And many times, words are not enough to explain it. That's the power of play therapy. It's the power of sand tray therapy. So I grabbed these miniatures, the Hear No Evil, Speak No Evil, See No Evil miniatures, that sometimes, this is often where I am within my nervous system, if things get too much, I may check out rather than go into a fight or flight, I may go into a dorsal. So when thinking about it with a specific client or something that is coming up, I may just put these in the sand tray, sit with them. They may have a message, they may have a voice. And then in sand tray and in play therapy in our world, we're often looking at polarities. So, what would be the polarity of these hear no evil, speak no evil, see no evil monkeys? And I picked this beautiful image of connection and support. It reminds me of this safety circle and a way to be able to reset, to get back to that ventral, to get back in our window of tolerance, to be able to do the work. So, to be able to look at these other miniatures and to look at these and to do a reset is this is where I want to be if things are getting too big within the playroom, and how can I peel off these other layers and be able to know the importance of co-regulation and stay present and in connection with my clients. So I wanted to give you this little tidbit. I have a sand tray training coming up April 4th and April 5th. And I also am planning on opening it up live in the Philadelphia area to a small group who are needing live contact APTs. It will be 12 hours. So I hope this little tip is just a good reset, whether you are supervisors and you're using it in supervision, whether you're just needing a reset before your session. So many ways to take advantage of the amazing power of Sandtray for us to be better clinicians and be more connected to ourself and more self-aware to be able to do the beautiful healing work that we do on a day-to-day basis. Thanks.